testing. How are we going? How are we going? Let's go. Let's keep moving. TikTok. Ah, God, I am screwed. There should be a link on the you know, whatever. Oh, here's our weapon. Hello, weapon. So yeah, this is never gonna work. The crazy bastard's looking at me. Stop staring at me. So here we go. Such a noob I am. It's getting a little bit confusing now. Array is greater than or equal to the millisecs. Let's just find that minus equals. Yeah. I'm an idiot. I don't know what I did there. But basically, yeah, I'm an idiot. I made a big mistake here. I don't know what I did. But I'm gonna try this again. Okay guys, I'm considering killing myself because of my stupidity. Yep, another stupid mistake of the week, as usual. You see, I forgot. This is what you get for being an idiot that copy and pastes all the time and doesn't do it properly. That's what you get. Well, I don't know if I could listen to myself for this long. I'll have to I don't know what I'll do. I'll probably just kill myself if I can't program. Ooh, ambulance. Beautiful. Now, one thing you have to do here is, I made a small mistake here, but you can't make this because you will die if you do that. Oh, I had to give my name apparently. A very high score because I'm that good. Volume. I'm gonna end up with a broken neck on this. I need to keep turning my head. It's terrible. We're saying 200, which I believe. Actually, I'm not sure what that does. I've used that for quite a long time and I don't know what it does. Because we're doing the copy and pasting, if you guys were with me on the last tutorial, you know that I make mistakes like an idiot when I copy and paste a lot. So I'm going to try not to do that this time. Last one is 500 and they're all 50 at the end. Oh my god, I bet I've made a mistake. Watch this. Fail. I knew that much, but as usual, there's going to be tons of mistakes for me from copying and pasting, but this is the best way to save time. What we do here. So something you'll pick up along the way is if I don't know something, I will just write along the code without by pretending that that code doesn't matter. So in this example, I'm not too sure. I don't remember what this does at the moment. Everything else you see from here onwards will be either mine or stolen and stuff that I say it's mine. So if I took it off the site, I won't be telling you that. Oh my fuck! Oh my god! I can't believe I did this whole one without making a mistake. That's insane. I think I'm gonna get some rest after this one. But you guys don't have to worry about that because I'll be here in a flash. That's how fast I sleep. I'm sure I'm gonna have to change a hell of a lot now because I'm being lazy. But delete paste image, you idiot! God, such an idiot sometimes. Alright, so we're gonna do a quick build now to make sure we come up with any errors. I'm sure there's a few of them. Oh, Jesus Christ. Equals 6. So this is to stop Mario from going at 500 miles an hour. We just provide a limit so he doesn't go over that. But succeeded, as we know, doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work as we want. Excuse me. Sneeze there. Yes, just okay. I'm going to take my shirt off because it gets hot when I talk to you sexy boys and girls, all 15% of you that go on my videos. For God's sakes, fucking fat fingers. It's like they expect you to, you know, have a function that accepts each individual. So you need to have one for your ammo, one for your health. So you're looking at a lot of stuff. We don't do that. We're too good for that. Yeah, what's our D word? Where do we declare this? I'm just thinking this. Ammo address to right. Where did we declare this? Did we declare this? I'm just wondering. I don't think we declared this, did we? I'm address to right. D word. I'm address to right. Let's pull an F6 on this. I'm sure it won't. Oh, it works. What the hell? Oh my god! I'm such an idiot. I'm declaring this on the spot. Why does it matter? And then size of health value. It's beautiful. We are effing pros, guys. It's 4 in the morning and we are proing this up. That's how we do it. H proc snap, and this is for our, let me think, Yeah, I think this is gonna be for getting our process. So, oops, my chair just fucking fell back. Sorry about that, guys. So after a while loop, you close this. So then you say sleep 1000 seconds. Next thing we're gonna do. Excuse me. Having a bit of ice cream. And what we're writing here, we're writing so DL path to draw length null H proc. Just wondering what we're writing here. I knew the answer a minute ago. I'm just wondering now. So we can do that. And then we put this. F for Fleep. How sexy is that, huh? And then, yeah, anyways, messing around. Create thread 0 times 1000. I have no clue what this does, but I've been using it for ages, and I've seen it on every DLL pretty much. What a stupid name for a font. Anyways, put another off in. Just put them all in there where they belong. Looking very sexual. Full color is really dependent on different things, so we're gonna go full colors. These are all white pretty much, so we're gonna go for white there. So this looks extremely attractive to the ladies. If you're watching, ladies, this will be very attractive to you. So we're gonna go for white. I believe white looks good. See? You seen that somewhere else before? I bet you have. So for our mid levels, I don't actually know what that is. Some of the stuff I don't know what it is, but don't worry about it. So what this is a hack you can use for almost any game. Oh, there's an email. And come on, email, go away. And if you guys haven't noticed, I've got a new mic as well. So this is how I spend my student finance. So just copy that, and then we're going to write a couple of different things. So paste, 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 paste. If you press Control and space quickly, then it will come up with the autocomplete, which is really useful if you're lazy like me. So feel free to label this. So this is top horizontal line, top vertical line. If you don't know anything about horizontal or vertical, there's nothing to know. It's just two different. So horizontal is like that, and vertical is up and down. So if you think about horizontal, you can think about the horizon. I think that works, because the horizon is like that. Really gay. I know, I'm sorry about that. So as you can see, go up to these guys. Hello guys. Take a couple shots at me. Come on. You see they're shooting, and it is showing me that I'm taking damage, but I'm not actually taking damage. What do you think you're doing, both of you? Unlimited. So as you can see, I really like these 9 bangs. They're really cool. But they're like fireworks. Woo! As you can see here, this is our new hack. I made this menu from scratch the other day, and I'm actually really proud about it, because I'm usually really bad at graphics related stuff. I usually steal it from the internet, but usually when you can't find anything either way, you oops, I didn't download anything illegal. Yeah, so, and then often you'll find that the recoil, oh, some bastard driving outside. Okay, so if you see any funny business, it's all done by the Triggerbot, and I'll explain the disadvantages. Fuck, shit, I hit my computer there, sorry. I'll explain the advantages and disadvantages whilst I go through them. So I'm just going to spawn it quickly. I think the way it was done, see, take out this guy quickly. Oh, get lost, come on, you see that? That's BS. Sometimes I'm doing Google searches and I see my name come up, and it's on sites as well. So I think it's really good. It's just me being a gay boy, but you know, whatever. Just send me a PM if you use something. If you like, you know, you don't have to. But I'm gonna take my shirt off quickly. Well, not a shirt, my jacket. This isn't a stripping session, especially in terms of. Oh, look at that kill. That was really good. Impressed myself there. Our pointer equals that pointer, just so we can have access to the array of beautiful pixels, and that seems fine. I'm gonna have a bit of chocolate milk. Okay, so I had a quick look, and I'm an absolute dildo. I had these the wrong way around, RGB, so red, green, blue, you know, but we need to look out for it anyway. Sorry, my chocolate milk's running out. Oh, for God's sakes, I'm such an idiot. Why it's less than a scan? It's like you have one small error. The damn thingy stops working straight away until he sends. It's useless. Scan. Maybe I'm useless. Window. But hopefully you guys can still keep up nicely. If not, you can kill yourselves. No, I'm joking. Just go back a little bit if you're having trouble. Hopefully you're not. The beauty of the Fleep's failing method of copying and pasting tells us that we had an error. Basically, if you guys know about my site, guidedhacking.com, there's a lot of porn there usually, so if you want to go check that out. We've got coordinates, but if we don't know how to move the mouse around, we're screwed. So if you move your mouse around a little bit, you'll see that some numbers change, and these are the ones that keep changing. And mouse only has 2 coordinates, which is just sorry, screw that up there. Actually, I want to go after him and kill his ass. Actually, I gotta stop messing around. So wait a couple of seconds until it tells you it's done, and it's at work right now. So I'm just gonna run around like an idiot. So if game found, we say int player base equals mem.read multi-level point, and this is a function that I created. Thank you very much. Copyright Fleep 1994. So I click here. There's a bunch of processes. That's good so far. But there's a lot more to it than just this. So let's run a Soul Cube. Fuck off to you. So I'm just going to do a check here to make sure Fraps is recording the right screen, or I'm going to cry because there's a lot of work here. You know, I like doing tutorials, but even though they might be basic, I want to make them a little bit complex. So I don't want to drag this one out too much. That's why I took out some of the features. But I still want you guys to have a nice little thing you can play around with, other than your penis, when you've got some free time. And what else? So look at this. You see that? Just taking people out like it's Christmas. And I think that is it. I had something to mention again. I started playing like an idiot. I forgot what it was. Let me have a quick drink and think about it. Alright, I remembered. Oh shit, sorry. I'm not supposed to press tab in game because it triggers a breakpoint as well. So I'm gonna make sure not to press tab. I'll probably do it anyway because I'm an idiot. We can do something like this, and you can jump off here. Whee! Boom. You see I lost 11 health there. So as you can see, I press space once, jumps forever. And that's how we do it. As you can see, jumping. Woo! We go back, let's do it again. Just turns off, and on beautifully. Off, on, off, on. And there we go. Quick note, I have my neighbors playing music, which is a little bit shit, but hopefully you won't hear much of it. So my neighbor's into all this kind of crap music, which is okay, you know. I think she's in love or something, so she keeps playing that romantic kind of shit. The way this works is like this. We find the enemy, well, we find our structure, our base, array, not array, it's a list I think, but it doesn't really matter, array or list, it's the same shit most of the time. Yeah, so my guess is I clicked wrong in one of the scans. So let's do a quick scan again, let's try and find this. I really hate making mistakes in tutorials, but shit happens. This one here is what we're using, 3051F8. Beautiful. Fuck yes, that was the correct one. So all that I was doing wrong was, well, I was trying to be clever and I wasn't following my notes as I should. But he can run around, I don't care. Actually, let's stop him because we may need him to test the aimbot later on. Hopefully it's recording. I'm going to kill myself. Fucking neighbors with the music. Alright, minus attack does that, and we're going to look for changed value. D-word. A quick thing that I may add. Actually, I was thinking of doing these tutorials because I got a new webcam and I thought it'd be good, but then I thought this isn't a sex show, so we shouldn't be using webcams. Constant, we use that to alternate. Again, most of the things that I'm saying now, oh cool, not cool bull. Most of the things that I'm saying now you can read in the comments in the final solution, so don't worry too much if you don't pick something up. So constant D word, which allows us to store our address here, DW attack, and this is what we will use to force our run process. And what that does is it sets up our CSS and makes sure that Counter-Strike is running and that we can hook into it. Run the hack, click on the old play button here at the top, and we have errors which are not good at all. And I think that is why I changed something last time, because I was getting this error as well. Fuck my life. So right now it's running, no crashes. It's always a good sign when it doesn't crash straight away. I'm going to go up to enemies, and we're aiming, and no bueno. Should be shooting, it's fucking not. So something may be going wrong here, so we're going to find out what we did wrong, if anything. And yeah, I think we are done, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully I will kill this guy and see you guys very soon. I will start the tutorial. Just jump a wee. Did I press Ctrl D? Yeah, so click dissect data structure and structures, define new structure, unnamed structure, yes, and just okay everything. And if fuck's sake, it's fucking up again, motherfuck. Alright, I'm just gonna check that out again. Fucking tits, that's not good. So 2E, that's fine. Okay, so for some absolute random reason, this always happens. I don't know if it's me that's being an idiot or it's Cheat Engine's default address finding thing. Constant D word, DW player count. Fucking hell, what time is it? 12:30. I have to get lunch in a minute. Now, if you've done the previous tutorials, you've got the code already, so you just copy and paste that and change it a little bit, and that's lucky you, but I have to write it down. Process dot D word client, which is fine. Let's do a quick check there. Oops, screw that up for myself like an idiot. And it's size of D word, I believe. Yep, and 0 at the end. So what we're doing here is we're going. Please tell me where the first player, where the X player is in the memory. Close that, and there you go. And we're going to return square root of pow. This is a function regarding Batman. For those of you that don't know, I'm just kidding. It just means to the power of Batman. Huh? Are you liking them apples? I'm just kidding. Being stupid now. That's fine. Calculate angle. Yeah. So let's create our main function. Oh shit, that's a lot of code. Yeah. Let's create all our other function calls anyway. So bool operator. Oh yeah. I know what I got wrong. It's this here. Don't ask me why that goes that way. I don't understand it either. Instruct isn't supposed to have that because it's not a method, you idiot. I'm such an idiot, my bad. So we then create a new array that stores the people that are viable. So let's say we have 14 players, but 8 of those are on the other team. We exclude those 8. We only have 8 left. Did I say 14? I fucking fucked up the maths there. Don't worry about that. This is the reason why people hate external hacks, because you always have to do this. Oh shit, sorry. You always have to do this write process memory. You have to write tons for it every time. All we do now is we overwrite that. So we go DW angle rotation. Brilliant. It's like it already knows what we're doing. We're in sync with Visual Studio. It's beautiful stuff. So we do this, and it's aiming at the closest enemy. Let's make sure that's happening as well. Boom. One shot. Good night. The rectangle around the player. What do you think you're doing? The rectangle around the player. For fuck's sake. Can't kill him. Need to work on the height there. Oh, fuck, oh, fuck, please don't kill me. For fuck's sake, you nearly killed me. Is there a bomb? Oh shit, there's a bomb. For fuck's sake, I'm going to lose this round. So basically the way this works is, like I said, this is an extension to the Aimbot tutorials where we are reusing a lot of the code from there, especially the player addresses and the enemy addresses. So all that's being reused, and I'm about to die actually because yeah, there you go. So a lot of that code's being reused. Well, that's interesting. I never saw that on fire before. I am not that good at maths, so I try and avoid doing that. So yeah, I'm just gonna get on with the tutorial. I probably wasted a ton of time like an idiot doing this initial intro, but that's life. So let's get on with the tutorial now. You join counter-terrorist forces as well. Make sure you do that so you have that unlimited time. Don't worry about your enemy. Let him run around like an idiot. We don't care. My player. World screen. Plus my player. Dot. For fuck's sake, or IntelliSense. What have I done wrong here? Should have done FL Matrix, shouldn't I have? Yeah, there you go. IntelliSense and C++ is fucking gay. I'm gonna sneeze, fuck. Excuse me, guys. Well, yeah, when you're just coming up. So I'm gonna get close to the enemies, make sure it doesn't work. And yeah, it doesn't seem to work. Okay, that's okay. Let's find out what's wrong with it. So let's just debug this shit.
So I did 100, I believe, times 100, which is our current width. So let's say we're trying to do the width. So ignore the height for now. So we did 100 times 208. That gave me 20,800. Okay. Yeah, probably could have figured that out without the fucking calculator. But anyways, so yeah, normally, I remember when I was developing the hack for this game, I absolutely shit my pants. Alright, so I'm gonna get onto this. Where is she? Where the fuck is she? Fuck's sake, I don't want to do this. See, this is the problem. I'm gonna play this game, I'm gonna shit myself. Especially. There she is. Fuck. Alright, see, look. Fuck, she shits me up big time. Alright, that's it, guys. That's it for this small... That gets me going. Fucking hell. Alright, that's it for this small video. I'm gonna... Oh, shit. I'm gonna release a full Let's Play on my other channel, so click on the link if you want to check that out. So I'm gonna piss her off one last time, and that's the end of the video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Pretty cool. I didn't know that was there. That doesn't even work. What the fuck's the point of that? This is where we're heading. This is where it's taking us. But this is where... Sorry. This is where it's taking us. But this is where we want to be. On that one over there. Looks like an arrow. / penis. Good. Successfully injected. There you go. That's what we needed, really. So as you can see, holding spacebar will make me fly. Holding control will bring me down. Into hell.
Thanks to everyone for watching my videos, and see ya.